So not too long ago, I reached 1 million views on my channel's total amount of views. You know, not an easy accomplishment for many. Of course, if you really want to look into it, maybe like over half my views came from one singular video. But you know what? I have a lot of views. Every single view counts in the end. And I think it would only be fair for me to share with you how I was able to accomplish such a thing. I'm going to show you my methods, therefore, on how to do clickbait. Clickbait, yeah, I know, we all hate clickbait. But you know what? We gotta all learn to accept that clickbait is necessary. It's necessary for views, you know? I'm ashamed to use it, but it has to be done. You know, we gotta put the foot down and put some clickbait up. So here is how we do clickbait. I'm gonna give you a few examples on how to make, say, a title or a thumbnail. So say you're doing something along my road of, per se, a Lego set review. You wanna do a Lego Star Wars set review. So what set we wanna choose here? So say we wanna do Lego Cloud City review, right? So I get pictures of Lego Cloud Cody. And look, this is a pretty high res image, right? Make sure that the resolution is as high as possible. We're gonna save that image to the camera roll so we can do Photoshop later. We gotta get the characters that are in the set. Say you got Lego Princess Leia. Now you have to be able to think logically about this. Here are the first few results, and what would really make someone click? What pops out the most to you? Is it this? A nice white outfit, white, blending in with everything else in our background, or is it something a little more like this? I mean, personally, so you could scroll down to the recommended images. You got stuff like that as well. So I think I like this one better. We're gonna save that image. And don't be afraid to include non-Lego elements. For example, Padme. But you just search Padme. Now, I don't know if this is really Padme, but, you know, we don't need to be too shy here in our thumbnails. Include what you want to include.
Hi, friends and boyfriends. So, today I wanted to talk to you about the first time I ever got turned on. I remember I was at
JK, Padme wasn't in the set. See, that was a test. Instead, we have someone like a stormtrooper. See, save that image. You know who else is in the set? Boba Fett. So obviously we have this famous cosplayer right here. We want to go with that one. But don't forget, we're still dealing with a Lego set here, so you have to stay relevant to the topic. So we move on to Adobe Photoshop. You can get this free app on your phone. It's really good. Now we have our Lego Leia here. Boom. Now make sure you get the biggest eye grabbers as the most eye-grabbing thing in the picture. You don't want to make it too much in the background or whatever. Got to make sure that people notice what you're trying to make them notice, you know? But still, you have the set in the background, so it counts. Ba-boom! Might want to add some text like Lego Cloud City. Just like put that in right over here. So I mean, I would say if you want to click for a Lego Cloud City set review, like this is a pretty solid thumbnail, something that you would click. It's related to Star Wars and it's related to the Lego set, right? Therefore, anything goes. Save that image up. What is my title going to be? It's going to be something along the lines of Lego. Well, you don't want to maybe start it with Lego because, you know, everyone knows it's going to be Lego. So you want to really shock them, like second half of the video. Ready? Now we're going to do a Funko Pop review. Say you like Captain America Pop. So we want to get that new Avengers Infinity War, right? Important note for clickbait. You want to get what's trending, obviously. Now, I know what we did the last time, so this time we're going to try to appeal to the second half of our audience. Here's our Funko Pop, and then we add the actual character. And for your background colors, you want to do a bunch of bright colors, right? You know that one. So, you know, don't limit yourself to just one. Get a bunch of bright stuff in there. Sure. And of course, advertise your thumbnail with the text. Now, you want to really emphasize stuff here, right? So get that classic red arrow and red circle. There you go. This is a rather solid thumbnail. I actually like this one a lot. Although it is important if you are a straight male like myself that when you make a thumbnail like this, you have to put in the very bottom corner, just like that. You know, just to protect yourself. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my tutorial on how to make clickbait. So thank you very much. Every single view counts again, I must remind. So each of you have contributed to the big fat 1 million. That's quite a bunch, you know. I appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of those views. 1 million views, yeah. All right. Now I just need to catch up in subs, right? Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Bye.